Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 top in the collection specification. So this is a very stylish car that comes with a retractable fabric roof. There's 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the touchscreen. This features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get automatic air conditioning, a speed limiter. The car's only done 10 miles. So let's have a look around. This is a pre-registered vehicle that's got the 1 litre petrol engine. This has 72 horsepower, and if the car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.